So today we're going to be reviewing a good old phone case. The phone case specifically that we'll be reviewing today is the Spigen iPhone SE 2020 phone case. I thought I'd give you a little unboxing since I love Spigen. Spigen. Great company. I've used their cases for probably 5 years now. And I've never broken a phone ever since I've had a Spigen case. Never broken one. And the thing is about Spigen that's nice is that you can toss your phone all the way across the room and it'll bounce off the wall, the floor, the toilet, and it'll still be fine. I don't know what they do in these cases, but yeah. A new thing that's kind of cool is that this bad boy right here has a kickstand. That's new for me. I've been repping the iPhone 6S for about 4 or 5 years now. And it didn't have a kickstand, so that's kind of cool. I'm looking forward to figuring that out. If you guys wanted a little couple details about the phone case, it's $15.99, which is super cheap for a durable phone case. I feel like there's all these phone cases nowadays that are like $70 just to cradle your phone throughout the day. Luckily today, Tim Cook hand 3D printed an SE for me to try out so I could shove this red phone in this red case, which, by the way, if you guys didn't know, the red iPhone SE 2020 edition is brought to you by this company called Project Red, which is an activism group dedicated to helping people that are affected by the curse that is HIV. The disease that is HIV. And it's pretty awesome. See, this is the phone, also in red, doing stuff, moving it around. It can move pretty fast. This is not an iPhone SE review, though. It is solely for my Spigen case. Other things about the case are that it's nice and red, just like the phone. And I think red is a alright color. It's always been okay for me. I've never loved it, but this time I was like, why not? Yep. Spigen. Good company. I would love if this was a sponsorship, like if Spigen was sponsoring me, like I was making this video because Spigen was like, hey Ethan, go and make that video. But no, this is not even remotely close to that. I just like their cases, and I was like, I'm going to make a small video about it. I don't really know what else to say about it, honestly. I mean, what else can you say about a phone case? It doesn't have like a screen guard like those, what are those computers called? It's, or those cases. What are those cases called? Yetis? No. That's a cup. Bird box. Otterbox. That's it. Otterboxes, it's like putting your phone in a bank vault. Like you have to unlock the Da Vinci Code before you can actually get to your phone again. And it's covered up by like a 4-inch plexiglass covering. I get it, but I don't need to like quarantine my damn phone every time it's in my pocket. And Spigen's like the perfect mix. It's like, your screen's still there. You can touch it, not feel all plasticky. Plus, like, the thing I don't like about those phone cases is that those get all dusty underneath, or God forbid you get them wet. Like, Nothing. You're never gonna get that on wet or on dry or on dusty anymore. It's just gonna always be dusty. And then say you do get it off, it's just gonna get dusty again. Like Spigen, you never have that problem. I wonder what they make these cases of that makes them so nice. You know, who knows? But either way, I like this. I like these cases. They're soft. They're like matte. They have a matte texture to them. It feels really nice. And I've always enjoyed that element. So yeah, Spigen. Yep, brought to you by me, not Spigen. All right. Simulation. Please leave.